Hello folks, welcome to Travel Pass Tour. I'm Naila. I will be your tour guide today as we explore the historical atmosphere and local charm of Simpang Balapan. But before I explain further, I would like to explain you about the location of Simpang Balapan. So, as you can see, Simpang Balapan is located in Malang City, East Java, Indonesia. If you are Malang people here, you may already recognize this place. So, this place, it sits at between intersection of Simpang Balapan Street and Ijen Boulevard, especially in Oro-Oro Dowo area of Klojen District. Now we already know where Simpang Balapan is located, but I would like to tell you about the history of Simpang Balapan. But before we jump into the explanation, I will give you a quick question about Simpang Balapan. So, have you ever wondered why it's called Simpang Balapan? Please let me know the answer in the comment. So, it began during the Dutch colonial period where Simpang Balapan was one of the most important place to gather, and Malang also one of the most important cities to serving as a trade and transportation in East Java. And then, now it's what makes it interesting. At that time, Simpang Balapan came from word Balapan, which means racing. It was also a horse racing ground and motorcycle and car racing ground to the youth people. So, although today we see Simpang Balapan as a busy urban intersection, its story may all go way back to the Dutch Indies era, when it was associated with horse racing ground and then evolved into a symbol of modern youth activity. So you already know the history of Simpang Balapan. So how about we take a strolling a bit? Come here. Do you see that statue? If you know the statue, let me know in the comment. So, this is Hamid Rusdi statue. Hamid Rusdi was a very important local figure here. He was actively involved in a youth movement, and then he was also a religious teacher that he put his dedication into education and community values. Later, during the Japanese occupation, Hamid Rusdi joined PETA or Pembela Tanah Air. It was military organization created from Japanese to form at that time, and it played an important role to Indonesia early resistance and defense efforts. Okay. Here's the fun part that you've been waiting for. So, what activities that you can do here in Simpang Balapan? So, one of the best ways to experience Simpang Balapan is simply by walking or cycling over here. Moving at a slower pace allows you to enjoy the surroundings here, especially when you are at Sunday's morning. There are car-free days here. This place feels completely different from a regular weekday, where this place, the street, will close for motor vehicles and then turning into a safe and open place. You'll see joggers starting their exercise, family walking with their children, and the children will also play freely in here. And then, for those of you who enjoy photography here, this place giving you A soft natural light creates a gentle breeze shadows that highlights the detail of the area. So Simpang Balapan is a hidden gem for you. So whether you're here to walk, cycle, or maybe just taking a photo, Simpang Balapan has always something to offer. If you pick either activity like walking, cycling, or taking photo, which one you will pick? And I think that's from our tour guide today. So don't forget to check out our Ijen tour guide video. So see ya folks!